Right, we have another arrival. We have a 2016 VW Crafter Racevan. Let's have a look round it first of all. Hook up, and it comes in orange, well sorry, yellow. Everybody's got white, so it'll be a bit different. Yellow, can't miss it, nice. The side LED lights for night time. I've just been in it, so I've just turned them on. And you got these monster wheels, brand new, all terrain, huge tyres, new wheels. Let's have a look inside. It's got a little seating area here. We'll have a look at the front cabin first. So you've got 6-speed manual, air conditioning, leather steering wheel, electric windows, electric mirrors, etc. And I say reversing camera, Bluetooth. And these seats, let's have a look actually. Really nice finish, Alcantara half leather stitched. So that's quite nice. If we look inside here, you get a little control panel up here for your lights, USBs. You got your plugs there for when you unhook up. Let's look in some cupboards. Storage, more storage. Come back to that in a minute. Truma heating system. Here we have the blackout blinds. Oof. And a brand new toilet and shower. So completely separate. Not a bad size actually. Very bright. Then here you've got your sleeping area. You got little spot lamps all round. I'll actually put this up here actually. Give me a second. Hob, sink. Brand new fridge. Never been used. That's your for your toilet waste. Here we go. Sorry, forgot to mention. I will show you under here because it has some awesome bit of kit. There we go. Look at that. All new Truma seated system. Got the Renogy inverter. So yeah, a lot of all really well fitted and expensive piece of kit. I'll leave that open for now because we shall go and look in the back. You can access actually the garage by the back there. Oh. More plugs. Total of 4. It's locked itself. So it's got a deadlock here, so there we go. And look at that. There's your reversing camera up there. All Alcantara lined. Yeah. Really large garage. More plugs. Total of 6 now. And I say I'm 6 foot and I can walk in quite easily. And that's the access to inside the cabin. Which I said earlier is down there. Skylight. Spots. Just a quick video to give you an idea what it's like. More details, look on the website, but here we go. openroadcars.co.uk. Cheers.